This is my Lazy Traffic Sniper review. Watch this video to the end as I will be sharing with you all the key features and benefits of Lazy Traffic Sniper and why you should grab a copy today. I provide you my honest internet marketing product reviews and where to buy at a discounted price. I also give you my massive bonuses worth over $7,891 when you buy the product through my affiliate link located below this video. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell to receive an alert anytime I release a new review video about the latest launching internet marketing product. Let's get started with today's review video. Looking to buy Lazy Traffic Sniper? Let me share with you the key benefits and features of Lazy Traffic Sniper and why I highly recommend you grab a copy of Lazy Traffic Sniper today. Before we get started, click on the link below this video to check out the bonuses you will receive when you buy Lazy Traffic Sniper through my affiliate link. Lazy Traffic Sniper is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. The system solves two crucial problems: getting real buyers and turning them into profits. 1. Buyer traffic. LTS leverages a powerful but untapped network of over 300 million hungry consumers. This source has a proven track record, but until now very few digital marketers have been able to crack the code, so it's an absolute goldmine and ground floor opportunity for first mover advantage. 2. Making money. We share innovative and tested strategies for monetizing these buyers instantly and over the long term with affiliate offers, list building, and more. You will benefit from many of the exact strategies that have made Jono Armstrong the top earning marketer on Warrior Plus for over 3 years. Lazy Traffic Sniper, unleash and monetize pure buyer traffic, in any niche without paid ads, stress, or even competition. Why should you buy Lazy Traffic Sniper? There are plenty of features and countless benefits of using Lazy Traffic Sniper. I have listed below the key features and benefits for you: commissions and leads without selling. This traffic is ready to buy, we just give people what they're asking for. Set and forget traffic without your own products. Tap into floods of free traffic without the hassles of product creation. Instant authority without being an expert. Maximum commissions, leads and profits even if you're brand new. Amazing results are easier than ever thanks to this brand new, set and forget, traffic solution that siphons floods of buyers. For 100% free. And lightning fast results that last. Over 300 million active buyers looking to spend money now. 100% free, zero paid ads or boosted posts needed. Laser targeted, tons of this traffic comes straight from Google. Monetize any niche, finally, get paid doing what you want. Practically zero competition from online marketers. Game changer. The front-end price of Lazy Traffic Sniper is $13. Click the link below this video to visit the bonus page of Lazy Traffic Sniper and check out the one-time offers prices of Lazy Traffic Sniper. Thanks for watching my Lazy Traffic Sniper review video. If you want to make money online quickly as a beginner or newbie, then I advise you buy Lazy Traffic Sniper now. Click on the link below to check out the bonus page of Lazy Traffic Sniper, and once you make your order, all the bonuses you see on that page would be automatically delivered to you. For more internet marketing product reviews and bonuses, please subscribe to this channel.